In this second lesson of this section on composite function blocks, we will learn how we can use inbuilt function blocks to create our calculator operations instead of ECC and algorithms. You can add and remove libraries to your applications by clicking on the project and selecting library references. The list shows different libraries that are available for you to use in your projects. The below window here shows the libraries that are already part of your project. Note that the available libraries list you see on your computer and here in this video will be slightly different, as I have additional libraries installed on my system. However, for this project, only 2 libraries are required, and those 2 are already part of our project. We need multiplication operation function blocks, and these are part of the base library, the runtime base library. They are under runtime base and under service subnode. Let's drag and drop the add block to our composite network. You can also add instances of library function blocks by using the right-click context menu, as shown here, to add subtraction block. You can also use the shortcut method, the Ctrl W method, which we saw in the previous section. We use that method here to add the multiplication block and the division block. These blocks are special blocks with a variable number of inputs. You can see they have 2 inputs only now, but what if you want more inputs? This is easy to solve. You can click on the bottom right of the block and drag down. And in this way, you can have up to 16 inputs. Since we need only 2, we will revert to default. Since this is a generic block, we need to mention the data types of the inputs. This can be done by right-clicking on the bottom right of the instance and selecting the interface editor. Here, you can choose the data type of the input variable. You can also use this editor window to mention the number of inputs. We don't need 12. Let's go back and select 2. Let's rearrange the blocks and give these instances meaningful names. We end this lesson here. In the next lesson, we will learn how to make connections, and also I will show you some workarounds to deal with the multiplexing multiple connections into a single connection.